Michigan, and we're in the fig patch, and I've got Nick and Alia here from Ann Arbor, and they're picking figs. So they're helping me keep the yellow jackets at bay, and they're tasting a lot of different figs tonight. They helped me pick all my peppers in the back, and now they're tasting some figs. So you've had a couple figs. Which ones are your favorites?
I'll probably say the Black Tuscan.
Black Tuscan?
Yeah.
And we're at Smith Fig. How'd you like the Smith Fig?
It was really good.
And you want to try another one? Oh, you got honey out of the eye on that. Cool. And they're helping me take the split ones. We're going to feed those to the chickens later. So thanks for coming down, and hope you guys enjoyed yourself. And we've got a lot more figs to try here and pick. So I really like it when people come down here and they help me pick, and they help keep the bugs away.
And taste.
So, right.
And taste.
And taste.
Oh, yeah.
So you like the Black Tuscan?
This one's really good too.
That was the Smith. Smith is a great fig. I've been picking Smith figs for probably about 3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And it's still pumping them out.
What did you like about the Black Tuscan?
It had like it was more sour, so it had more like the berry flavor to it.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
And it's a little bit more firm than the others.
Yeah.
Okay.
With still being like
Yeah. Like sweet.
the right taste.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
It has a nice fig flavor to it.
Right.
Mhm.
So I haven't did a review yet on that this year, but I wanted you guys to taste it because it is a special fig. So
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. Okay, good evening. This is Dan Foster here in Michigan again, and tonight I am here with Black Tuscan. And as many of you know, Black Tuscan is one of my favorite figs. The other night I had Nick and Alia here. They were picking up a whole bunch of figs and helping me out with the wasps. And one of the figs that Nick loved is the Black Tuscan. So I really hadn't had a chance to pick one and take a picture of it and really do a review on it, but I thought I would follow up with that other video that I did the other night with a taste test of Black Tuscan. And Black Tuscan is a really dark fig. It strongly resembles Black Madeira and Prado. It's from a nursery that went out of business in London, I believe Reed's Nursery, and I got this fig from Rafed about 6 years ago or so. So I've covered up several of these figs with these organzo bags. That helps keep the bugs away. And with something as precious as this fig, I like to do that, especially with one that I know that I'm going to do a review on. So we're going to pick several of these. We're going to weigh them up and plate them up, and then we'll do our review. So, and also I want to talk a little bit about my pots. So a lot of people ask, do my pots root into the ground? What size pots are they? These are like a 26-inch pot, and I got these from Crescent Planters. I actually got them from work, and work got them from Crescent Planters, and then we had a pot sale and I bought them pretty cheap. So not everybody has access to these specific containers, but you know, a fig like this that's kind of in its final pot, it's in the size that I can manage, around a 24 to 28 inch pot. I have a ball and burlap cart that I use to move them in and out of the garage in the fall and in the spring. So yeah, let's pick these figs and let's do our review. So I'm really looking forward to this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick that one, the one in the bag, this one. That's 3 of them. Got a little milk on the stem. It's really hard to know when these are ripe. It's really hard to be patient and let them become ripe. I won't pick any more. Let's get a look at the trunk on this thing. Several years ago, no, actually, yeah, 2 years ago, I cut this thing really hard, and actually, this fig tends to want to fall over, and you can see if you get down in here, and this was like the first year, and then I stood it up, and this is the second year, and then this is the third year. So the crook to the stem is because each year I had it, I stood it back up straight. So, and then I finally have this shape that I really like. So the trunk on this thing is so big I can't even get my hand around it. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, I got that one too. All right, we got 4 figs. Let's go ahead and plate them up and taste them. Okay, we've plated it up and taken our pictures. They weighed in at around 40 grams a piece. So let's go ahead. We're going to try this. Let's get a picture of what the 2 halves look like. There's definitely some jam in there. Maybe these could have waited a few more days. As people love to say, could have waited a few more days. But I've been picking these on and off for the past few days, and I've yet to be able to hold my patience and actually let one get really juicy, but they will if I leave them. So let's go ahead and we're going to taste these. So I'm going to, which side do you want?
Give me this one right here.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Very rich.
Oh yeah.
Rich and intense berry, just like I like. The skin is chewy and sweet, and this is the perfect fig. Really,
I
it
feel
is.
the same. It's got a little fruity. It's got a really fruity bite to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, very intense flavor.
10 out of
Chewy.
10 for me.
Yep, I would say so.
So.
Delicious.
And I knew that was going to happen because I've had this fig for several years and it blows me away every year. So this is Black Tuscan, and thank you for watching.